You've probably noticed that in Portuguese, as in English, there are many compound words formed by the combination of two words that, when put together, form a new one with a totally different meaning. This video will be a fun way to learn new vocabulary that many times trick students. Before I start, I wanted to share some exciting news. I know how students struggle to find practice exams to study for the A2 CIPLE exam. It's frustrating that students have so few options available. Well, that's about to change. We are offering a free A2 sample exam that follows the CIPLE typology of questions. I will leave the link below so you can access this amazing giveaway that includes audios, transcripts, and questions for all components of the exam. E agora, vamos começar! Let's look at the English word keychain. It's the combination of key plus chain. How would you say it in Portuguese? Porta-chaves. Composed by the conjugated verb portar, an old Latin form meaning to transport, and the word chave, key. In this case, the Portuguese word has a little dash, a hyphen, hífen, in the middle. By combining individual words, compound words communicate a larger number of concepts, from noun-noun and verb-noun compounds to adjective-noun compounds. These linguistic creations enhance the beauty and the depth of the Portuguese language. Today we will be focusing on Portuguese compound words separated by a hyphen. Let's start with noun-noun compounds. In this type, two nouns are combined to create a new word with a distinct meaning. Cão-guia is the combination of cão, dog, and guia, guide, guide dog. Couve-flor, the combination of couve, cabbage, and flor, flower, cauliflower. Palavra-chave, the combination of palavra, word, and chave, key, keyword or password. Beira-mar, the combination of beira, shore, side, and mar, sea, seaside. Cara-metade, the combination of cara, face, and metade, half, better half. Now let's cover verb-noun compounds. Here, a verb and a noun are together, resulting in a word that includes some type of action and an object. Just like I mentioned previously with porta-chaves, we have several other compound words that start with the word porta, coming from the Latin portar, to transport, to carry. Note that this porta has no connection to the meaning door. Porta-moedas. Moedas means coins. This is what we call a small coin purse. Porta-bagagens. Bagagem means luggage. This is what we call a trunk of a car. Porta-luvas. Luvas means gloves. This is what we call the glove compartment of a car. Porta-voz. Voz means voice. This is what we call a spokesperson. Another common verb associated to compound words is the verb guardar, to keep, to guard in English. Let's look at some common uses. Guarda-sol. Sol is sun. This is what we call a beach umbrella or a sunshade. Guarda-chuva. Chuva is rain. This is a regular umbrella. Guarda-joias. Joias is jewelry. This is a jewelry box. Guarda-fatos. Fatos is suits. This is a wardrobe. Guarda-redes. Redes is nets. This is a goalkeeper. The verb tirar is also commonly seen in compound words. Tirar means to remove. Tira agrafos is a staple remover. Agrafos are staples. Tira nódoas is a stain remover. Nódoas are stains. The verb abrir, to open, has also some useful compound words. Abre cápsulas is a bottle opener. Cápsulas means caps. Abre latas is a can opener. Latas means tins. Other interesting ones are lava-louça for a kitchen sink, a combo of the verb to wash and dishes, or conta-gotas, a combo of the verb to count, and drops for a medicine dropper. Noun-adjective compounds bring together descriptive words with nouns, capturing specific qualities or characteristics. Obra-prima for masterpiece. Now let's talk about adjective-adjective compounds. You see that a lot with colors, azul escuro, dark blue, or verde claro, light green. Also common in the use of two nationalities, Luso-americano, Portuguese-American. Here's another interesting combination, numeral noun. This combo creates numbering relationships, usually ordinal, with the names they refer to. Some of the most common examples are primeiro-ministro, prime minister, segunda-feira, Monday. Finally, we have nouns joined by a preposition. Two hyphens are needed in this case. Some examples include the word for labor, mão de obra, or pink, cor de rosa. I hope you now understand better some of the most common compound words in Portuguese. Do you know any other compound words? Share with me in the comments below. Até a próxima!